Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to talk about products. Are they universal? That is the good question, because I know a lot of y'all be buying a lot of products. But yeah, so I feel like they are and they are not. I feel like once you master the understanding of products, then you'll know how to have your go-tos. So at Press Roots, I really love their products. Like I said in my other video, I've worked with their products before. So they work with Moroccan oil and design essentials, and Moroccan oil, man, it's amazing. And one thing I must say that plays a big role, the quality of the products. Now, they're not cheap, and I'm gonna be all the way real with y'all. Now, they're not cheap, but they are worth it, and you don't have to use as much of the product because it's quality. So here's my little secret on how I'm able to use shampoo and conditioner, like use two go-tos or a certain amount of go-tos for every head, or like if it's a certain type of hair, I already have a go-to and I don't have to use different products every time. So if you have dry hair, I use a moisturizing shampoo. If you have dry hair, you use moisturizing shampoo. If you have super oily hair, you have I use a clarifying shampoo. And then with all of my clients, I blend the two no matter what, because even though you're dry, I still need to clarify you, but I make sure that I'm using a moisturizing shampoo with it, like a cocktail. So after years of doing hair, I've created cocktails for my shampoos. So that's why I say that yes, you can use it. Products can be universal, and kinda it's, to me, it sums it up as a technique. You have to understand and know your hair, or know the client's hair, or an average on what clients' hair texture, scalp, all that is like. And I feel like, from a cosmetologist that are doing it, within time, you'll know what to grab when a client hair is feeling one way and when it's feeling another. So I hope that helps. You want to comment below, get some advice, or if there's any other stylists that want to give some advice, comment below, your thoughts and what you feel about products being universal. Do you feel that they are, or you feel that they not, or you feel that some are, some not? So comment below. Y'all stay tuned.
I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here. 'Cause I don't want nobody
Y'all, I thought I had the camera arm record when I was combing her hair out to create the waves. I'm so sorry, y'all, I don't have it, but all I did was I got the comb and I combed straight down her curls. So I did a comb out with her curls, but I kept them in place to give it the wave look that you see now.
From the city, it's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast.